In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Snapchat account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Keep in mind that if you delete your Snapchat account, you're gonna lose all your Snapchat data, including memories and spotlight videos. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then tap right here at your profile picture, and then tap at that gear to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find Delete Account. If you tap at Delete Account, first off, you need to sign into your Snapchat account again by entering your username and password. And also, right over here, it says that once you hit Add Continue, your account will be deactivated, which means that friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, and you'll also lose any chats you've saved and any snaps and chats you haven't opened. And after 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you'd like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.